Hello, everyone. You're welcome to Franka's Kitchen. Thank you very much for stopping by our channel today, and thank you for clicking on the play button. Wow, to my new subscribers, I say thank you. I see you and I appreciate you. I hope you stay and check on our other videos. So today I'm doing apple pie, oatmeal apple pie, and it's a very delicious one. No excess sugar. So please stick around and watch till we get what we want. Thanks. So in here, I'm adding my oatmeal flour, the one I blended. So I actually blended enough for me to have enough flour while I'm using it. So it's good to always blend oatmeal down. at this stage we are making progress, serious progress, and I like the face of this apple pie. I'm just gonna leave it for a while because I wanted it to come off by itself. Anything I do now, if I turn it without checking properly that it's stuck, I'm going to break everything and to mess up everything. It's actually messed up everything because I turned it the wrong way while turning it over for the top to get cooked. But let's continue watching. So it's brown to the way I wanted it now. As you can see, it went down. Yeah, and I like the way it's brown. Now look at it over. Now, there was something I was supposed to do. After oiling the pan, I was supposed to add a little more of the flour because it actually got burnt at the bottom. So here is our final look. Yeah, I just know I made a mistake not actually putting enough. You know, while putting it under the in the pan, I was supposed to sprinkle more flour so that the brownness will not be burnt. The thing will not be burnt at the bottom. But anyway, this is what I got with my oatmeal. Yeah, at this moment, I want to say thank you very much for stopping by. I hope you try this recipe out. Yeah, it's a quick breakfast. Very fast breakfast indeed. I think other 30 minutes, the whole slicing and all. Okay. Okay, let's just say 30 minutes or 20. Okay, 30. I'm not going to lie, 30. And then I left it to cool off for 5 minutes so that it doesn't burn the kids. So this is what we came up with. At this junction, I want to say thank you very much. And I saw new family, and I want to say thank you very much. I appreciate you. I hope you like, share, comment, and also subscribe and share this recipe. Try it. See you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye.